Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm Kristen, and today I'm sharing some new Valentine DIY gift ideas. This first one, I just grabbed a picture frame from the Dollar Tree, and then this is completely optional, but I wanted it to look more like a Valentine's Day gift, so I'm just going to go ahead and paint this frame in the color crimson, and this is Waverly chalk paint. Grab some scrapbook paper from my craft stash and a few lottery tickets, and then I am just positioning this however I think it looks nice. There was one I did not use for this gift, but I think that this is kind of the perfect fit for this. And then I am just putting this back into the frame, and this is the gift. I think it's pretty cool. I decided to go ahead and use my Cricut just to cut out Happy Valentine's Day and put in the center of this, but that is completely optional, or you could add a card of some sort, but I just think that this is such a good gift and someone will actually use this. This next gift, this is actually under $100, so I guess it just depends on what type of price range you're looking to go with, but I always think a good book, some of someone's favorite candies, and then of course you cannot go wrong when it comes to jewelry. I am just using a tray, and then I did want to kind of gift this little decor piece. This is from Dollar Tree, and then I just thought it'd look kind of cute in the tray, and then I opted out of that just because nothing was kind of fitting the way I wanted. And then I just ended up adding some foam roses to this just to make it look a little bit nicer. I'll probably end up adding some cellophane or something to this, but I just wanted to share what it looked like without that, just because when I do show videos and the cellophane and the wrapping is all covering the items, you cannot tell how cute these baskets are. So this is a different fun way to use a gift basket. And if you did see there, I added some Ana Luisa jewelry. I love their jewelry. I think it is such a great touch to any sort of holiday or gift giving idea. And obviously today's video is sponsored by Ana Luisa. And if you guys have not heard of them, or you haven't had me talk about them, or haven't checked out probably the majority of my necklaces that I wear in my videos, they are all Ana Luisa. So Ana Luisa crafts high quality jewelry pieces at super affordable prices with designs starting at just $39, and the more you buy, the more you save. They are carbon neutral from packaging to products, and their company is a company who cares about the planet. They have fast and free shipping within the US, and anywhere else they have crazy affordable shipping options. Ana Luisa has a worry-free guarantee with a 2-year warranty on all of their products. And here I'm just sharing some of their items. I don't know why I wanted to share the necklaces, because they have so many other great options as far as rings, bracelets, earrings, etc. But I just love the necklace option. There's just so many different ones to choose from. They did end up sending me 2 of their necklaces, so I just want to share which ones those are, so when you do see them in the video that you know exactly which ones you can go search their website for. So I have had some of Ana Luisa's jewelry for years, and not one of their items has tarnished, and I think that's why that I keep going back to these and I keep gift giving these items. I know that I love wearing them, and I know that you guys will too. I love this butterfly necklace, and although I'm supposed to be gift giving, this one just may have to stay in my collection of jewelry. I do love their packaging, and this is what it comes in, so it is just really cute, just adding a bow and giving it as a gift if you wanted to do something like that. But if you guys do want to check, so all you have to do is click my link in the description box below to shop my favorite long-lasting and affordable jewelry for up to 25% off. And the more you buy, the more you save. These pieces are timeless, and I know anyone would love these as a Valentine's Day gift. Next, a gift idea. I'm just using a box from Dollar General and some tissue paper, and I'm just adding some fun items in here. Of course, you cannot go wrong when it comes to candy for Valentine's Day. They just have like the best kinds of candy because everything is pink and red, and I mean, hands down, those are just always the favorite flavors in every single bag or box of candy. And then I just added some socks in here along with this little gift bag, and I just tossed a gift card inside. And I think that this is just a simple but easy gift giving idea. So if you have to give to somebody or you want to and you don't really know what to give them, you cannot go wrong with any of these items. This next one, I'm using this heart tin. This was $1.25, and I think I got this at Family Dollar / Dollar Tree. I'm just using some chocolates and some of these faux roses, and of course I have to use this foam to go inside of the tin. Now, I've seen something like this on Pinterest or Facebook, maybe. Facebook, I love scrolling through all sorts of like shorts, and they have some really cool ideas. I'm like, why don't I ever try to do those? But this one's a really fun one, and whoever gets a gift like this is going to absolutely love it and use it. One, like the way it looks is just super cool anyways, but to get some like good tasting chocolates for Valentine's Day, you really can't go wrong with that. So I just cut the foam down to size so it would fit into the tin because obviously this big chunk was not fitting, so I had to kind of piece this together, but it doesn't matter because this will all be covered up. And then I just popped the roses off of the stems, and there was just a little bit of stem left over, so I was just poking that inside the foam. And I did the roses first just to see if my chocolates were going to actually cover the other side. I wasn't sure if I had enough. And then if I didn't, I'd probably just add a couple more roses just to make this look more full. But I did just grab this pack of 8, and I only had to use 7 of them. This is what it looks like when it is done, and I think this is absolutely adorable. And I don't think the lid will fit on here, but I mean, at least they'll have a tin to use maybe next year for Valentine's Day. One is just a really simple idea. So I know you're going to see a ton of candy ideas for Valentine's Day, but I thought this one would be kind of fun. So I grabbed these little treat containers from Dollar Tree. It comes in a pack of 4, and then I just use my Cricut to cut out a few different words, and I'm just putting them on a piece of scrapbook paper. I'm going to cut those and then stick them inside of these little plastic containers, so then my kids will be able to pick out something to do. So instead of gifting a candy, you could do something like this and have a family day where you could go to, I did Applebee's, but you could obviously do any sort of restaurant you want, the movies, bowling, just something fun. It is wintertime here, and there's not a ton to do outside when it's really, really cold. So I thought these would be some perfect ideas to put inside these containers, and then they could choose daily, weekly, whatever you decide for them. But I just thought this was just a fun and very inexpensive idea. Inexpensive to start with. I'm not saying it's going to be inexpensive when you go do all these items in these little containers. For this next one, I'm using these galvanized buckets. These are from Dollar Tree. Also some ornaments, this party shred paper, and some fun candies from Dollar General. I thought these ones were just really cute. Although Palmer's probably aren't like the best candies. These just seem like the more realistic Valentine's candies as far as sweet tart hearts. you just can't go wrong with those when it comes to Valentine's Day. So I'm just using those ornaments just to hot glue those hearts on. Maybe I needed a little bit more hot glue because one of them did end up falling off, which I can fix eventually. I'm just adding the little paper shreds to this, and then I'm just adding all of the fun candies to this. I think these would be really good teacher gifts. I know we have some teacher assistants that my kids or one of my kids want to gift something for Valentine's Day this year, and I think it will be perfect for her. What they look like when they are done, and then I just tied them up with some baker's twine and just some really cute little ornaments that I found at Dollar General as well. But you guys, that is it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to check out Luisa and shop my favorite long-lasting and affordable jewelry for up to 25% off. My link will be in the description box below for you guys. But that is it. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!